Careful.
Me. Hey.
What is wrong with you?
Sorry. Oh, okay, you won't come talk.
Did you just come?
Hey!
Did you just come here and say, what punished you?
Okay.
You're very stupid for calling me that name. You pushed me and you're calling me. Are you mad? Are you stupid?
I know this girl.
Oh God, you punish you. Allow me to beat the hell out of this guy. You're very stupid.
I'm sorry, no.
You pushed me and you're calling me a prostitute. Your father, your mother is a prostitute.
I'm so sorry.
Your mother is a prostitute.
No. That's enough, please. You want to collect money? Hey. Let's go. Hey! Hey, come on. Let's go, bro. Let's go, man. Hey, it's okay, please. No. Please, don't do that. Go. I know you. You fuck up. My goodness. I don't mark on her face. Are you okay? Una too. I don't mark on her face. Can you just go inside? Come on. We have to... change.
Your money now 1,000.
Which can't talk that one now?
Oga, give me my change. When I started, I want to buy something. Say me, okay, now play me come.
Oga, give me my change.
I don't get change. Give me, I want to like for.
Bless say something. You don't want to come up for Oga. Oh, Messiah.
I want to go.
Oga, give me my change. You mental. What's your
one minute? You want to enter me?
For years.
What's happened?
For years. Don't give my change. For my I go buy you. What is that thing? I go buy you. Boy, man, I can't bear sweating my body.
What happened to you? I mean, your face.
No, don't be that keke man. No be that keke man. When you won't give me my 400 naira change, my vicinity and do am. If you see the way I mend down, I swear to God, you go pity am.
Wait, all this happened because of 400 naira.
But why you dey talk like this now? You know say country hard. But you know the kind of hustle. When we say I hustle to get this package come, when we take job. Now you call it talk this kind of thing, and you know say food stuff under this house. Beg.
But the thing is that I don't know why you people live in Lagos. You always want to risk your life just because of mere 400 naira. I mean, little money, travel issues. I understand what you can actually resolve amicably, and you're fighting.
I know they understand you some kind of times. So I'm just going to talk with that one. No, you see, I carry money, buy this package, someone will chop. Someone will chop this thing, he do this thing. You go chop?
Don't worry, I'm fine. I'm not hungry. I'm expecting some money this evening. So when it comes, you can go to the mall to stock the house.
No, I like you. You know this daily news I like to hear. You understand? See, this is your music career. They never been profitable. But what me the reason now is say, just follow the advice. What they give you.
What's that supposed to be? What are you talking about?
But you don't tell you the truth. And they call you true matters. They say this is.
Say, listen. Music is my life. Music is my passion. I love it with everything in me. So anyone that is not supporting me is against my existence. Do you understand me? I want you to support me with your full chest. That is if you are still my friend.
Keep the chest on. What's up? Martin fight for the 400 now. Okay, come on. See the chest. I just want to fight for you. That's going to tell you true. You know the year.
Oh, okay, yeah. Fine. Hi. Nathan.
Mom.
I didn't meet you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello? Afternoon? It's evening.
Evening?
Yes.
Oh. I must have overslept. I mean, stress from work and all. You brought my clothes, yeah?
Yes. I've been calling you wearing picking and I almost thought you were not around. So I was about leaving. Then I pushed the gate. It was open. I saw your card and that was how I knew that you were in.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's security conscious, you know.
Ma'am, don't you think you need the services of a security personnel? I mean, you need a gateman to watch over your house.
Okay, so can I just have my clothes? Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. I'll send you your money later, as usual.
Okay. But I still think you need a gateman.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
Bye, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
How are you doing, Lucia?
I'm fine, sir. Good day, sir. How is Canada treating you, sir?
Canada is fine, but there is no weather that can be compared to that of our father's life.
I know. Sir, I was meaning to call you as regards to our company's partnership with GTQ Holdings.
You don't need to call me. Every time you wish to decide on anything in regards to the growth of the company, I left the company in your hands.
Thank you, sir. When are you coming back, sir?
Someone is missing me already.
The company hasn't been seen without you, sir.
That's the reason I called. I'll be coming back next month.
Oh, next month? That's great news.
Alright, let me leave you to go back to work because I am sure you were working.
Yes, actually, I was preparing for tomorrow's presentation.
You work too hard. You are too young to become a workaholic. Go and sleep.
Thank you so much, sir. See you soon.
Tomorrow
Okay,
is
sir.
yet another day.
Yes, bye.
Please, I am really sorry, please. I'm not sure what you please, I am really sorry, please. I'm not sure what you
You just broke my... You broke my phone! You broke my phone! Come on! Are you playing the rest? Are you down? Are you taking what you think?
Come back, how did you get?
Faster! No, just keep standing there. Are you there? Are you punching?
I'm gonna run this girl. I'm really sorry.
Don't even focus me if you don't want me to kill you. Fool. That's your assets. Criminal, you think I don't know?
What's happening now? No, Papa, you don't be killing for Lagos. Oh, Papa, you don't be killing for Lagos. Why you go to this thing? Why you go to this? Papa, this make this game now. Let's go.
Where are you? Okay. I think I can see you now. Alright.
What happened? I've been calling you.
I mean, I'm so mad right now. Like I was telling you. This stupid guy with his stupid, ill-mannered, ugly-looking friend bumped into me. I went to eat, our favorite eatery. Yes, that was where I met this two set of people.
What? Wait, did he apologize?
Apologize? Yes. What the hell is the apology gonna do? What is it gonna fix? I was lucky that his friend was able to hold me from falling. Otherwise, I would have been badly injured.
So you fell and tripped on him. You sound like one of these movie scenes where the young, beautiful lady just comes out and then there's this handsome young man standing somewhere and then she falls into his arms and then they lock eyes and love at first sight.
Hell, what the hell are you talking about?
I'm sorry.
Honestly, if you don't have any meaningful thing to contribute to this, just shut up. Okay? I'm telling you about my awful experience and you're here talking rubbish. What?
This really isn't that big to make you so angry. But, well, you see what I told you. You need a man. Yes, you need to get laid. You need to invite him home to that newly rented apartment of yours and get properly laid. Let him take care of you. Because I don't understand why you get unnecessarily angry over the slightest provocation.
I don't know how I got to have you as a friend. I'm regretting it.
I know, right?
Speaking of the apartments, well, I've not been feeling very comfortable in that apartment. Like I've been having this panic attack all the time.
You see, I told you. You need to get like a security or maybe a flatmate. Yes, a flatmate will do it.
Hell no. Need I remind you your experience with a security man and flatmates? Come out. It isn't even an option. Please, just come off it.
You need a flatmate because you can't keep doing this, man. Anyway, tell me more about this guy.
Tell you more about which guy? Honestly, I felt like strangling. What the hell are you talking about, this girl?
Sorry.
You're gonna get off this car.
Sorry.
No.
Sorry.
You get it off. I'm dropping you at the next junction. Get a tricycle, whatever. Get it off my car.
Really?
Really? Yes,
okay. Okay.
Please, your seat belt.
Oh. Let me get comfortable.
Don't get too comfortable. I'm so hungry. You're hungry.
So because of this solution, and I make us no come chop for eating, we won't go chop again. Because our solution, what we say in life don't finish.
Badmus, you have zero respect for me. It's not good.
This kind of respect I want to get for solution. Also, we say in life don't finish for road. This kind of respect.
Every woman deserves respect, and you need to give it to them. A woman nurtured you to this point. If you regard your mother, then you need to respect every woman out there.
Wait. Make I get this thing now. So, all this preaching now because of that.
Hey, I want to go back.
What is that?
I'm serious. I want to go out and get my own apartment. I told you I'm not really comfortable around this place. Your house is not really spacious. Of course, it's not my taste at all. I discussed this with you before.
So now because of woman, you won't move come from your nigger house.
That is not true. right? See, I appreciate you accommodating me for a long time now. You're really a friend. I appreciate you.
No, Alashan. You're my brother now. Man. You're my brother. Anytime. As long as you stay within the vicinities of Lagos. Me and you go alive. Look at that day.
Just let me just make a professional man system.
Yeah, give me that. As you don't agree not to talk for anything, let me say enter kitchen. Go package 1 or 2. You go chop now. Yeah. Then they do fine boy for food. Go chop.
Yes. I just got to my house now, okay? Yeah, I'll check them. Just hold on, please. Just hang on. I'll quickly check the files, okay? I just got to the house right now. Hold on.
Who's there? Call her. Look, I see her. Now, how is that? She did what? Yes. Get in the house. What is this? Give me the money now. Okay, you do something.
Bill.
Madam, good evening. I beg no verse. I've been asleep when you call.
I see. You call yourself an estate security, and you were sleeping when armed robbers made their way into this estate. If not for the timely intervention of the police, I wonder what would have been of us.
God no go allow anything happen to us in Jesus' name. Eh? So thief and police enter this estate. Now I know.
Honestly, I don't know how a primitive illiterate, who a sound of gunshot isn't loud enough to wake up from slumber, be made an estate security.
Hi. Madam, you no go fit teach me my job. Since 7 years, now I don't do this work. I beg.
You know you're a shameless man. Very shameless. This is height of inaptitude. You know what? I will make sure to sack you. You're a fool. Bloody lunatic.
Two armed robbery raided Emerald Estate last night and made away with 12 million naira, but due to the timely intervention of the police, they were apprehended and the money returned to the owner.
Wow. See, all this rich people self. How you go just buy this kind of big money before house? I don't understand this kind of people. You carry big money, 15 million. Then that's small money be that one. But where did you go now?
The agent contacted me. So she told me there's another building, another apartment for me to check out. So let me go check it out and see if it meets my specification.
No, I'll call you. All the best.
Alright, bro. Check it out. How do I look?
Sharp, superstar.
Also, superstar. You go feature was you for your next single.
I did with you. That is the album for this country.
Hello, Pearl.
Lucy, I heard what happened in your estate last night. I mean, the robbery incident is all over the news and blogs. Tell me about what?
About what?
Look, tell me about it. What happened?
Pearl, I called you. I called you all through yesterday, but your number wasn't reachable.
I'm sorry, babes. Look, I didn't sleep at home yesterday. I went to this apartment. It was barely network. It was frustrating. I'm so sorry.
Yesterday of all day?
I'm sorry. Are you fine? Hello? Hello, Lucia? Hello?
I'm here.
What's happening? What's going on?
I said I'm here.
Well, thank God they did not harm you. Thank God you're fine. Thank God nothing happened to you. Thank God they did not come to you. Ha. Hello? Hello? Why do you keep going off now? Hello? What? Lucia, how could you be so careless?
Yes. I just got to my house now, okay? Yeah, I'll check them. Just hold on, please. Just hang on. I'll quickly check the files, okay? I just got to the house right now. Hold on.
How could you be? What if they harmed? What if they came to you and they hurt you?
Do you know that these people were meaning to come into my apartment yesterday? Like, it would have been so bad.
How did you know that?
I heard them vividly. They were screaming. Do you know my neighbor's apartment is actually close to mine? I heard everything.
My dear, thank God they didn't succeed. Hello, Lucia? Hello? Why do you keep going off now?
Jesus Christ.
What is it?
I left my gate open.
Oh God, how could you be so careless?
My God, I can't believe I left my gate open yesterday. What if these people had made their way into my apartment?
Very good question. If they break into your apartment, then they will rape you. Yes, especially if they are gentle on you. Hey, come to think of it, it will be to your own advantage. You are long overdue for these things.
Pearl, you are so unbelievable. What are you saying?
I'm just joking. Relax.
Joking? Who the hell makes joke with such a thing? You know what, Pearl? Get off my phone.
Bye.
I said, get off my phone, please. See you at work. Ew, what kind of a girl is this?
love
Oh,
this
God,
place.
come, no be here. These are not for big ballers. For Lagos, you no get money, you get money. Come to the house here.
This is an uncompleted building. I mean, I called you and you told me it meets my specifications.
The agent I called, that's what he told me. This is the house. You don't like it.
Are you fucking kidding me right now? What is wrong with you? So you've not been here and you called me, you were boasting that you have a house that meets my specifications. What are you talking about? Eh?
Oga, calm down. Eh? There's no standard house in this Lagos. There's no standard house in this Lagos. Lagos shall just they manage. Just manage this house. You don't like it.
Are you okay? See, I don't want to get angry with you. What is the meaning of all this nonsense?
Look, the thing is that this house, by next week, they'll fix the doors and the windows. You will like it.
Are you the landlord? Nothing is happening here. No window, no door. No, look at the floor.
It's okay. Okay.
I want you to get me a house that will meet my specifications. What is your problem?
Okay, there's one house I'll take you to. The house, they furnished very well.
No, let me first for you.
Come now.
Wake up.
Oh, hell. Hell, are you trying to give me a heart attack?
Oh, if I didn't know you better, I would have thought you had a whole night of fun. But you're too boring for that.
Oh my God. I didn't even sleep a wink last night. Like I was so scared to my bones.
No, thank God for the place. By now it's having a whole different story altogether. See, give me Fuji, Sadek. What really happened? How did it happen? Because I don't want to believe all these bloggers. So please, just what happened?
Are you not supposed to be working? And that reminds me. What about the file I asked you to type and bring to my table?
Well, Miss Manager, it is not part of my job description to be working on my lunch break. So, and the day has not ended, so.
Man, I actually slept, but I'm so stressed, so mentally stressed, really tired. Moreover, I need to work. Okay, I didn't know when I slept though.
You know what? Get up. Let's go have lunch, okay? And maybe from there we can find a lasting solution to this problem. You can't be paying house rent and then living in fear. Let's go.
Fine.
And the manager's PA, Froggy. So, what are you going to do now? Pack up and get a apartment?
Come on, Belle. You know that's not going to be possible. Aha! Why don't you get a flatmate to come stay with you? Oh, please. Can we just, change this topic and talk about it? Look, you are my best friend. And your safety is very important to me. You need to think about it. And besides, that house is way too big for you to live alone in it. Exactly. And so, my dear friend, how about you come? Stay with me, live with me. My house is way too big. It can contain us, right? Exactly. And then what happens to the house that the MD rented for me? When he queries me, what would happen? Look, I love my job so much. That's not possible. I would have loved to come stay with you. I can, come every now and then, but I can't live with you. I know, right? Just really think about what's happening. Okay? And, the other two things I do.
Badmus, man, this agent wasted a whole of my time today, and I'm not happy. I'm telling you, she took me to 3 different apartments, and all of them joined together well, just whack. Nothing to write home about, I'm telling you. See, if not that she was highly recommended, I would have thought she's here to rip me off. It's so annoying. Yeah, I'm on my way to the eatery. Afterwards, I will go home, freshen up, then wait for the agent to come with another house that meets my standard. Yes, that same eatery you insulted that lady. Yes, that one in particular. All right. Okay, now meet me there. Bro, let's go.
This life is like a wind. It's blood.
How the laundry guy did it work? You messed this lady up, and you know that. Careful.
Me. Hey.
What is wrong with you?
Sorry.
Oh, okay, you won't come talk.
Did you just come? Did you just come here and shout? What punished you? You're very stupid for calling me that name. You pushed me and you're calling me. Are you mad? Are you stupid?
I know this girl.
Oh God, you punish you. Allow me to beat the hell out of this guy. You're very stupid.
I'm sorry, no.
You pushed me and you're calling me a prostitute. Your father, your mother is a prostitute.
I'm so sorry.
Your mother is a prostitute.
No. That's enough, please. You want to collect money? Hey. Let's go. Hey! Hey! Come on! Let's go, bro. Let's go, man. Hey, it's okay, please. No, please, don't do that. Go.
I know you. You don't fuck up.
My goodness.
I don't mark on her face.
Are you okay?
Una too. I don't mark on her face.
Can you just go inside? Come on. We're here to eat.
Yeah, people.
Listen. We're here to eat. All right?
Okay, you know there when you knock me that thing. You know there when you hit me that thing. You tell me we're here to eat. I know they talk with you. I don't talk.
Oh my goodness. My food. Hello.
Hey, babes. Yes, I called to inform you that I have sent you the file via your email. Lucia, why are you coughing like this? Are you alright?
Honestly, Pearl, if you didn't call me the time you did, my house would have gone down in flames.
What happened?
I was cooking and then I decided to come to the living room to wait for my food to get ready, and so I dozed off.
Lucia, what kind of carelessness is this? The other day...
I can't even lie, Pearl. You see, since that ugly incident, that robbery incident, I haven't been able to sleep. More reason I dozed off.
Lucia, for you, you need to get a flatmate urgently. Because it's obvious you can't function properly on your own in that house. That's my candid advice.
At this point, I have to reconsider. Sincerely. Meanwhile, what about the file I asked you to drop in my Dropbox?
I said I sent the Matrix and Co. Limited file via your email.
Oh, okay. I'll go through them once the smoke diffuses off. Right now, I need to catch my breath. You need to see my house, girl. No. You don't need to. Come on. I'll be fine. Okay?
Alright, then, but call me in case you need any company or any assistance, okay? Call me.
Okay, alright. Okay, bye. Oh, God.
Simple hello means a lot of things. Oh, yeah. Simple hello means a lot of things. So late. How to say hello? Late. How to say hello? Oh, baby. So late. How to say hello? Late. How to be friendly with people? So late. Oh, yeah. How to say hello? Love everyone as you love yourself. So late. How to say
Hello.
Hi, evening.
Hi, good evening. I hope it's not too late. I mean, if it's not convenient for you, I'll just give you a call back tomorrow, okay?
No, it's fine. We can talk.
Okay. I know you must have heard about the robbery incident that has been happening in this estate. And I'm no longer comfortable staying alone.
Oh, then get a security or something.
No. I don't subscribe to that. My friend who had a security guard got betrayed by her security man who planned with some group of boys and then they robbed her of everything she had. Don't even go there, please. Can't risk it.
But everyone are not the same. You shouldn't judge the whole world because of one person's mistake.
Honestly, you see, this is not even up for debate. Okay? I don't want to risk it and that's it. Please, find me a flatmate. I want someone to share my apartment with.
Alright, so what's your specifications?
Well, boy, girl, I'm indifferent. I just need a working class personnel. Provided the person is neat and then the person respects boundaries. Most importantly, respect boundaries. I'm fine.
That's not a problem. Once I see anybody who shows interest and fits into your design specifications, I will give you a call.
Okay, alright, great. Okay. Sorry for calling you late, okay?
Welcome, good night.
Alright, bye. You're welcome. Like, I never knew you're the one at the door.
Yeah.
Please sit.
Alright. I came to your neighborhood, so I decided to jump in.
Oh,
Yeah.
so what should I offer you? I have water, I have juice, I have... I think I made rice.
I
Yeah.
don't want anything.
You sure?
I'm sure, of course. I'm not a stranger in this house. And if I want anything, I'll just serve myself. Moreover, I'm the one that found this house for you, so I'm not a stranger.
Okay, please tell the world you found here for me.
So, what would your intended flatmate be using in your house?
Literally everything. I mean, I'm not always around, and even while I'm around, I'm always in the living room upstairs. So my sitting room is here for the person, my kitchen, and of course the person's room.
Okay, I'm just trying to be sure because I think I found one that fits into the specification.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'll bring him tomorrow to know if he really suits what he wants.
Oh, it's a he?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I believe anyone with a good taste will find this place appealing.
Okay.
Except the person doesn't have money.
So, how much is the rent?
Okay. For the rent,
Come on. Not be your phone the risk. Oh God, not be your phone the risk, so.
Hey.
For you.
Hello?
Hello. I've been calling.
I'm really sorry. I didn't see it again.
Okay, I have finally found a house. This house is the perfect definition of top-notch. I'm sure you will love it.
Oh wow, that's nice. But I hope this is not business as usual. I mean, don't call me out for something that's not worth my time.
Trust me when I say that this is your last bus stop, but the rate has increased.
I told you my budget now.
I know you did, but the lady currently staying in the house told me the price you will pay. Plus, the money is small compared to the worth of the house.
This one you're calling a lady, I don't understand. I'm going to share an apartment with a woman. I don't get it. Who does that?
Yes, it's a duplex and the lady currently staying there is willing to share. That's how we...
Alright, I'm not interested. Find another apartment for me. No, there's no buts, right? Unless you want me to give this whole thing to other agents. I mean, to find me a house that meets my specifications. Can you imagine? Agents told me I'll be sharing an apartment with you. Who does that?
That's how they do for Lagos now. That's how people think they survive for Lagos. Okay. It isn't if you come up from outside this now, I could just still let me one. No, now. I go find. It may merely you just come out. Before you go even reach gate, I don't call agent. Make you find another person, make it deal with you. I need the money now. Yes. See this man. You know how to go. See, make I tell you something. For this Lagos, so people take it survive. You understand? That's so they survive for you. It's not easy.
Just like that?
Yes, nah.
Stay with a woman?
Hey, you don't really need to get anything to do that. Oh, now not even need to join body. Now, hello, hi, I'm John too. You understand? But at the end of the day, I think it's possible to say, but until we can become party. You understand?
Why?
You wanna make even the added advantage.
Why you always saying shit?
No shit. Yeah, I mean, you gotta say shit. I gotta say shit. It's not the you eat me, you make me cool. Leave am now. Leave am, you go find an apartment for help. As that's no living us, you know what shit.
Oh. So, how do you see this house?
Wow. This is just perfect. I mean, this is the kind of house I've been searching for. My goodness.
I know you love it. I know.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry for keeping you waiting.
What happened? What's the matter? You guys know each other.
What are you doing here?
You guys know each other.
I asked you, what are you doing here?
No, please don't tell me to calm down. There is no amount of pleading that will make me change my mind over that. This guy would never set his feet into this house ever again, not to talk of sharing an apartment with me.
What sin did he commit that you cannot forgive? And move on.
He called me a prostitute.
What? You mean Derek?
Who else? If not Derek. Does this place look anything synonymous to a motel? If he's looking for a prostitute to share an apartment with, he should go to hell.
Please, Lucia, just calm down.
You know what? Huh? This conversation is over. If you have anyone mentally stable, reasonable enough that you think he can share an apartment with me, then you can bring the person forward. But for now, I'm done with this conversation, please. You can go back to wherever you're coming from, I beg. Body add to my stress. What's that? Like I have this strong instinct that something is going to bring him to me. Like we are going to cross paths. Fool.
You just have to come.
Please don't tell me to calm down. Please, you can go. Please. Just go, I beg.
Okay.
You're a prostitute. Fool.
Derek, you mean say that same babe wey be say I call Olosho? Na be the same babe wey be say the angel carry go with? I swear, I am still shocked up until now. Hey! Listen, you go take talk say this world na small world. I'm telling you.
The worst part is that I went to see the house myself and the place is so beautiful. It's just everything I ever wanted. The kind of house that suits my tastes and specifications.
Sorry.
I'm telling you.
So, what's he do now?
And lo and behold, the same guy who is intending to share my space is the same guy that I had an altercation with.
Wait, what? And what did you do?
What did I do? I sent him out of my compound. And I told the agent not to ever allow that goat step his feet into my compound. And then she should find me a more responsible person.
Oh, I see. You know, I don't know why God chooses to give opportunities to people who don't value it. I would do anything in this world to make sure I breathe the same air under the same roof with that handsome young dude.
Really?
Yes.
You can go on and have him.
Oh, okay. Let me have his contact.
His contact?
Yes.
What am I supposed to be doing with his contact?
Well then, give me the contact of the agent so I can ask for his contact and contact him.
I see, Belle. You are so rude. That I know. But I mean, you don't have to show it all the time. Come on. Belle, that guy is every shade of... Name it. He's so rude. He's arrogant. He's... I don't even know how to qualify him, but he's not just it. Sincerely, do you know what this guy called my house?
No, tell me.
A rat.
A what?
Kubiko.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know, I'm really loving this guy already. He has great sense of humor.
I want him, really.
Sorry. I'm sorry, I'm not laughing. Look at your face. Okay.
Are you sure this lady is still coming?
Of course, she's coming. I told her that someone is interested in the house, so she should be on her way by now. But Derek, I am doing this because of you. Ordinarily, I don't do this.
It's alright. Thank you.
Hi. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. I got caught up with work.
It's fine.
Yeah, so where's the person you said? I don't understand. What are you doing here? What is this person doing here?
Sorry, you need to calm down, okay? Let's just sit somewhere and tackle this amicably, please.
There is nothing to discuss about. I told you, I made it clear to you that I do not want to see this face here. I told you to get me a more responsible and reasonable person. What is this ugly face? Oh my goodness. What are they doing here?
Please.
Pearl, what is going on?
Calm down, okay?
I beg you.
Calm down.
The agent has been looking for apartments for the past few weeks, and none of them suits my specifications. I'm really sorry.
Okay, so how is that any of my business? I thought you called my house a hole. Huh? Have you now suddenly turned to a cricket or a rat that you want to share a hole with me?
I'm sorry, you're actually barking at the wrong tree. Yes, I'm not supposed to be the one you should be angry at. I mean, I am not the one that called you a prostitute.
No, complete that word. Complete that word and you will see the animal in me.
Calm down.
It's easy for you to call a woman unpretended names without minding the negative effect that name will have on that woman.
Calm down, okay?
I don't want to see these people here. No, I'm not even playing. I don't want to see. I told you specifically to get me someone else. What are they doing here?
Just relax.
I don't want to see you here. Both of you. If I go in and come out and you still standing here, I'm going to get you arrested. No, I'm not playing. I'll call the police on you. Tell them they should leave this premises. I will call the police on you. Fools. Arrogant bastards. Hang on, I'm going to go inside and if I see you here, it's going to be so messy.
Now he carry your election. So you go open that dirty mouth, they call woman, any kind of way enter your mouth, Abi. You feel call your mama Olosho. Eh? Look, let me tell you. Even a prostitute will not want to be called Olosho. And then you open your mouth and call my she is now Olosho.
Please, I beg you, just try and talk to her, alright?
I will talk to her, but on her own terms.
Make she no verse now. Make she no. Please, I beg.
Shut up, Jerry.
Thank you, eh?
You see what you have caused.
People should calm down. Why you guys throwing all this thing on me?
No, you're the cause of all this. Seriously.
It's not good to abuse people. You don't
But
know
that one don't pass. I don't beg them. Don't pass. More we get this thing.
You still have bad mouths.
Yes. I think you should reconsider him. I mean, it seems like he's sorry. I understand you. If I were in your shoes, I'll be angry too, but this guy, he's not sorry.
Did you just say sorry, Pearl? Pearl, what is sorry supposed to fix here? I work hard. Harder than 90% of ladies within my age bracket, just so I can be successful. Do you know how it hurts? It hurts more than a salt on a broken skin, seeing a primitive, low-life man insult the living day out of me.
Look, I understand you. I mean, I can relate. I understand what you're saying, but I feel he just wanted you to feel pained.
And now I feel pained. And he won, of course, because I feel pain. And I am still pained. Really pained.
Simple hello means a lot of things. Oh yeah. Simple hello means a lot of things. So late. How to say hello? Late. How to say hello? Oh baby. So late. How to say hello?
Give! Bust here! Come, I didn't talk to you there. Give me that lighter. Go now! Cut his finger, cut his tongue! I said cut his tongue! Move it out!
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello. Good morning, Miss Lucia.
Hi, good morning. I arranged for a meeting with the guy who is intending to take my space. I have agreed to share my space with him.
The same guy?
Yes, same guy. Same guy.
Alright.
Okay, thank you.
Simple hello means a lot of things. Oh yeah. Simple hello means a lot of things. So late. How to say hello? Late. How to say hello? Oh baby. So late. How to say hello? Late. How to be friendly with people? So late. Oh yeah. How to say hello? Love everyone as you love yourself.
So, Mr. Derek.
Reason I called this meeting. I have accepted to rent you my space. And I'm sure she has, already acquainted you with my terms and my conditions. So, with that being said, the moment you make payment, space is yours. You can move in.
Wow. Thank you for reconsidering your earlier decision. But I have a question.
Shoot.
Why the sudden change in your earlier decision? I mean, a few days ago, you were lashing out at me. You swore never to admit me as your flatmate in this house. So, what actually changed?
It is none of your business. Except you want me to change my mind. And note that I have terms and conditions governing this house. And the moment you go against it, I will not hesitate to throw you out. Without refund.
Okay. Thank you so much, Lucia. I hope Mr. Derek here understands and do better.
Good for him. The moment you guys are done, you can see yourselves out. Oh, drop my glasses in the kitchen. Hello. Yes, I got the mail. Okay, I'll work on it now.
So rude. What is wrong with you? Everything, it doesn't matter. Whatever we say, it doesn't matter. Yes, we're in Lagos. Yes, that's always your motto. Please, let's leave here.
Let's go. Congratulations on your new house.
What is going on here?
Oh, good afternoon to you. What's the meaning of this?
Exactly what you get when you use people's belongings without their permission. I remember I specifically told you that one very important condition that governs your stay here is that you must respect boundaries. And look at you. You're just 2 weeks old in this house and you're already defaulting.
Are you serious? Is that the reason you put down my food? Off the gas? Seriously?
Yes, seriously. Go get yourself your kitchen utensils. I don't appreciate sharing my personal belongings. Be a man. Go to the market and get yourself the things you need. And don't ever use my stuffs again. What's that? Respect boundaries. Rubbish. You're lucky I didn't pour the food.
What's the meaning of this?
Meaning of what?
was watching that and you had to change it. Why?
I mean, this is my house. And I choose to watch whatever I want to watch. I won't have you come into my house and make it feel uncomfortable for me.
Points of correction. This is our house. I paid for my space and of course, I paid in full. I am not owing you a dime. So refrain from saying this is your house because this is our house.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. See, if this is how you wish to bastardize me or disrespect me in this house, please, you can as well refund me as soon as possible.
Refund you?
Oh, yes.
Are you dumb? Where is it done? You've stayed in this house for 1 month and you expect me to refund you? Are you okay?
Oh, yes. Remove the 1 month from it and balance me, please. If this is how you will continue your constant nagging, then I would not be part of it. And when I came here, you clearly stated that you are more comfortable staying at the living room upstairs. So why are you here? Why are you dragging this remote with me?
So now I'm nagging.
Oh, yes, you are.
You know, I won't dignify your ignorance with a response, because if I do, I'm simply a fool.
This life is like a wind. It blows daily without us knowing. Life is like a book. Each day your page. While I know the finisher, flat heads. While I there, trouble there, between two of them, flat heads. While trouble between two of them, flat heads. While
my BTO, alright? Hey! Oh my goodness! We're gonna party! Right!
Love is here, so close. Can't you feel it? Even me, I don't feel it. The love is close. The bond is here. Can't you feel it? Even me, I don't feel it. This life is like a wind. It blows daily without us knowing. Life is like
Yo, my BTO, alright? Hey! Oh my goodness! We're gonna party! Right! Hey, that's not how gentle ladies knock on the door. Come on!
I don't understand. You're disturbing the neighborhood. You're depriving me of sleep. What is your problem? I can't have you with your unsuccessful music career and your husky voice deprive me of sleep. Don't you know I have work to do tomorrow?
Hey, maybe you should ask nicely. Nicely! What the heck?
I need to rest. I need to sleep.
Just ask please, please. I will bring it down. Just ask please, okay? Ask nicely.
Can you imagine this bastard? Oh, now it's a crime to let you into my apartment, right? Right?
Keep knocking, alright? I'm here rapping on my own and this girl is fucked! My goodness! You are doing too much, okay? You are doing too much, okay? No, take it easy. Oh, take it easy. Stop being disrespectful, right? Take it easy.
Why are you sleeping on this? Christian? Why are you sleeping on duty?
Today it's not like you say, oh, you had one of these robbery incidents in your estate, you didn't sleep away or whatever.
Oh my goodness. Honestly, Bill, I don't understand.
Ooh, somebody's been ruffling it up with her flatmate. Oh, girl, give me all the gist. Don't leave out any details. Bring it on.
I don't understand. And who said I had or would have something to do with that guy? Honestly, Bill, this guy is a thorn in my flesh. Sincerely speaking, this guy couldn't let me sleep last night. He literally sank all through the night. I couldn't get a rest. Honestly, the fact is I can't even comprehend the kind of song he was singing, but I'm quite sure that this guy was intentionally doing this just to get back at me.
To get back at you for what? Wait. I hope you have not been stressing that guy. Don't stress that fine bobo, because I don't trust you.
Honestly, the sight of this guy irritates me. His voice, everything about him makes me want to puke. Sometimes I wonder what species of frog did this guy swallow, because he doesn't even sound like a human being. But honestly, I feel like throwing up. At the sight of him, I just want to puke.
Liar. You are a big liar. I'm sure his voice is as angelic as it looks. God, that voice is so fine. Look, let me advise you, a friend to another friend. You better mark your territory with that guy. Because by the time you let him loose, these little desperate vultures are going to grab it. And by then, it'll be too late for you.
Pearl? I'm sure you have piles of work to do. So, if you don't mind, I want you to stand up and head back to your desk.
Anyway, I will go. But before I do, Mrs. Manager, listen.
Oh no, you listen. Okay? Now I'm not asking you. I am ordering you to get up.
Fine. Yes, I'll go. But guess what? I'll be back.
He ain't coming back. That's it. So just your hand.
They live without us, knowing life is like a book. Each day your page.
Yes, loving.
My name is Beauty and I'm here to see Derek.
Oh, please come over.
I'm here to see Derek.
Your name is what?
Beauty. I want to see Derek.
Your name is Beauty.
Beauty. That's funny.
Beauty? Oh, hold on. Did your parents just name you Beauty for people to make jest of you, or you just give yourself, Beauty?
Please, where is Derek?
Where is Derek?
Oh.
Beauty.
What a pleasant surprise. How are you?
Derek, I'm fine. Is it just me or you're getting cuter by the day?
Okay. Look at the way he's talking. Okay.
What?
I know your parents know there's a reason they named you Beauty.
Oh, yes.
And of course, you are looking ravishingly beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh,
At least
my
someone's
God.
acknowledging my beauty.
Yes.
I miss you too.
Let's go.
All right.
I think his rent is about to expire. Because what is this?
Please, why does Derek keep his bottle water? Seem like you both share the same fridge.
Are you mad? If I I slap you, drop this bottle of water. What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
But I asked you for it before I took it. I mean, there's no name engraved on it.
Touch it again. Touch the water again. Rubbish. Maybe we'll give her the gist she's wearing. Like a boy. This is not even my fault.
Oh my goodness. Why are you leaving so soon? I mean, you don't have to leave.
Come on, don't be ridiculous. I mean, I just came for the weekend and I have my examinations next week. I'll be back soon.
Are you saying there's absolutely nothing I can do to keep you?
Nothing.
Few days.
No, let's go.
Okay, hold on. Jubaman is here.
Yeah, so.
You still want to go?
Of course.
Right. Okay. You do take good care of yourself, okay?
You too. I'm going to miss you.
It's alright.
It's like a wind. It blows. They live without us knowing. Life is like a book. Each day your page. While I know the finisher. Flat heads.
I sanctify and purify this house. Every spirit of fornication. Out! Get out! Every spirit of fornication around this house. Sanctify my chair, my tables, my telly, my doorstep. Every spirit. Out.
What was that for?
Cleansing. It's called cleansing. I'm getting rid of every spirit of fornication that is in this house. I can feel it everywhere. Oh, God.
Are you serious?
Damn you.
Stop this.
Evil. What is it? There's no place for it here. Every spirit of fornication. Get out. Get rid of every spirit of fornication. Out. There's no place for you here. Out in Jesus' name. Rubbish. Every spirit of fornication on my ceiling, my chandelier, television. There's no place for you here. I know you are highly contagious. There's no place for you in this house. No place for you in this house. Get out! Get out!
What the hell is this?
Oh,
what is this?
I'm sorry, okay? I thought it was some girl my flatmates brought into this house and they fornicated all through.
I don't understand. What are you talking about? Why are you just drinking water on me? What's all this?
No, this is not just water. This is a holy water, okay? Ordained water. Just a drop of this, I tell you for free, your life is blessed.
Oh, look. I know you're upset because you wish you were in her shoes. I understand.
No,
okay.
You don't get it. That girl is a small girl. She should be in school studying, making her parents proud or something.
Look, Lucia, admit it. You like him. You want this guy. Just admit it. If not, you wouldn't even care who he brings home.
God forbid, I don't like him. Please. What are you saying? I'm just looking out for this girl.
I know it's very hard for you to admit the truth.
What truth are you talking about?
Look, I was just around the neighborhood and I decided to stop by to have lunch.
Have lunch?
Anyway, what did you cook?
Does this place look like a restaurant to you?
I'll take this to the kitchen.
No, don't touch my holy water. This is highly... No, my reverend father gave it to me. Hey, my friend, what is the call of your problem? Huh?
It's past your bedtime. You should be sleeping.
Exactly. I'm glad you know that. So why are you constituting nuisance by blasting music and disturbing my peace and the peace of the neighborhood? I am talking to you. sleep properly.
Excuse you.
What
is this?
What is it?
Hey. Music is my life. I enjoy every bit of it, alright? I'm so sorry, forgive me. I can't function without it.
Oh, you can't function without. How is that supposed to be my problem? When you're disturbing my sleep, I can't even rest in my own house. Please, let go of this remote. What is it? Just go upstairs if you don't have anything to do. Go to your room. To your room, please. Get busy with something. Read. Read novel.
You're crossing the line. You're indeed crossing the line.
I cannot sleep in peace because I have a flatmate.
While I know the finish, flat heads. While I there, trouble there between two of them. Flat heads. While trouble between two of them. Flat heads. Bring on trouble, living in one house. Flat heads.
Get up. What is it?
Spell.
Yes.
Why is it that you're still sleeping by this time? And why are you sleeping on the couch?
Oh boy, I'm so tired. Oh my god. It's past 10 o'clock. My presentation, I've missed my presentation, Phil.
Well, you're in luck.
What happened?
Look, the clients cancelled. They said they had this urgency, so they have to spell. So it's okay.
Oh, thank God.
Wait. This is not your duvet, is it? Ooh, so you two ruffled some feathers around your waistline.
What are you talking about?
You know what? I catch you. And if I asked you, you won't tell me. Now I catch you red-handed. Give me just.
Please stop. Nothing happened. Please, let's first.
Wait. Did you make fruit salad? Oh, this guy is so romantic. Hi.
Hello.
Look at that. He said hi to me smiling. Oh.
And what was that for?
What was what for?
Don't even try to do that with me. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I said, what was that for?
It seems someone is not in a hurry to go to work today. Guess you just left.
I don't appreciate that. I do not appreciate that one bit. How dare you cover me with your filthy duvet? That duvet that smells of fornication. I mean, you fornicated on it all day long. And you had the guts to cover me with it. Why? And it didn't just end there. You made me a fruit salad and dropped a note by the side. What do I make of this? I do not appreciate that, and that should never repeat itself next time.
It seems you misunderstood me. I'm not usually that nice. The only reason I did that was because I deprived you of sleeping in your comfort room. So?
I do not appreciate such games. Don't do that with me. Respect boundaries. Don't you ever do that with me again. Shh.
I heard all you said to him in the kitchen. Wait, is this how you two have been living in this house?
That's how we live. How do you expect us to live?
Now listen, if you are here to flex around, I suggest you go back to wherever you're coming from. Lucia, allow me to use you.
Eh?
That guy is so fine. Might be hearing me.
Let me check. God.
Girl, is this?
You see, I told you, he can't even hear us. Look, Lucia, you are my best friend and I want everything good for you. You are very single. That spot, there will be so much cobwebs there you can't take it out. Yes, you better allow God to use you. This guy looks single to me and he's very handsome. Even if he's not single, snatch the snatchable. Do you understand me? Try to shoot your shots. It's not abominable. You see, most of these my boyfriends I've dated, I've always shot my shot. And when they follow me up. Try it, okay? Don't say I did not tell you. If these girls collect him, do not say I did not tell you.
Please, please, I beg you in the name of God. Can we just change this? If I don't talk about this topic ever again.
I hear you.
Please.
I will not stop and you know it. But I hear you for today.
God damn it.
This is so yum. This early morning.
Now tell me you haven't eaten fruit before. Fool.
Convince them to buy a share. This is really hard.
It is very easy. But you need to find out the spots you can go through from.
Excuse you.
Well, a company can decide to buy shares from different companies. But the company have to look out for a company that have a very strong capital base with a high profit margin. Yes, with that, it separates you. Separate the good one and the less profit company. So you know what I mean? You go for the higher one. So find out what other companies are offering. You can go a step higher. Even if you have a profit cut off, I mean, you're still a win for you. Yes.
How did you get to know about all this?
Well, I studied business administration and management. But of course, I had to chase my dream, and that is music. While I was going to the kitchen when I overheard you stressing your head. I'll be there.
Okay.
After that.
Season hello means a lot of things. Oh yeah. Season hello means a lot of things. So late. How to say hello? Late. How to say hello? oh baby. So how to say love, how to be friendly with people. So oh yeah, how to say love everyone.
Hey, you care for some?
Are you talking to me?
Said I'm making noodles. You want to eat when I'm done.
Okay, I don't mind.
Okay. I'll let you know when I'm ready. I came to tell you that your heart body is real. You know, your noodles is pretty tiny.
Not right now. I'll join you soon.
Join me soon. Will you join me now?
Yes, I'll join you. Just sit. Something.
Okay.
Is he staring at me? Oh my God. He is staring at me. I hope I don't have food stains on my mouth.
Your meal is really amazing.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you. I mean, you're a good cook.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I need to tell him how I feel about him. Oh no, that's not a good idea. He'll probably think I'm cheap. But I can't hold it anymore. I have to tell him how I really do feel about him.
Mind I feel you? Okay. Thanks for the meal. I appreciate it. You want I drop it in the kitchen?
Okay, sure. Oh my God. Oh, good.
What?
What did we just do?
We did what to concentrate on that should do.
I'm so sorry. No, I feel like I lured you into this. I seduced you. I wasn't supposed to, and it wasn't exactly, my intention to.
Hey, it's okay. I have no regrets.
I mean, you have a girlfriend. Made you cheat on her.
Come on, there's no girlfriend anywhere. I don't have a girlfriend, I'm serious. Oh, wait. No. No, wait. That girl that visited me, he's my cousin.
Your cousin?
Yes, my cousin, sister. And there's no, I can't possibly be doing something with her.
Oh.
Trust me.
Okay.
Yes, trust me. I don't know how this happened, but I've fallen in love with you. Madly in love with you.
And I love you too.
Wow. I love you more. Come here. Come on.
Well, you're the good one.
What is it? Belle, what is it? What is it?
Why are you shouting? I just call you and you're shouting. What's wrong?
What do you mean, why am I shouting? Belle, why must you call me now? Now of all time. Now that I'm having a beautiful dream of my life. Belle, why? You know what?
Honestly, Belle, now I know that you are the weapon fashioned against me. Why would you wake me up from this beautiful dream? Belle, why? Belle, why?
Alright, tell me about this dream. Just me now. You sound like the dream must have been so important to you. Just your girl.
Belle, please. I need you off my phone. I need to try and see if I can get back to this dream again. Please, just get out. Please.
Get up and don't ever call my number again. Please. God.
Simple hello means a lot of things. Oh yeah. Simple hello means a lot of things. So late. How to say hello? Late. How to say hello? Oh baby. So late. How to say hello? Late. How to be friendly with people? So late. Oh yeah. How to say hello? Love everyone as you love yourself. So late. How to say hello?
Derek, how far? Good morning.
What is good about this morning? Why are you disturbing my sleep?
With sleep? You dream saying you don't blow like them Whiskey and the window them happy.
What is it?
Food no day house. I won't show your house this morning. I beg, make a gun job.
Is You care for a stronger leg?
Oh no, I'm fine.
You sure?
Meanwhile, I was meaning to ask, what is the name of this young man that I have been sharing my partner?
His name is Derek. And what is the name of the woman asking?
I'm Lucia.
Lucia?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful name.
I know. Thank you.
You sure?
Okay. I'll just take some. Just because you asked nicely. Because I mean, you've been bullying me in this house.
Hey.
You're a bully.
We know you've been the one bullying me in this house. I mean, making me so uncomfortable.
No, that's not true. Anybody who knows me know that I'm a cool chick. Ask around.
I don't lie. You're not cool at all. And just maybe I'll start seeing the other side of you. As a cool chick. Right. So tell me. No more police.
I'll have to think about that.
Simple hello means a lot of things. Oh yeah. Simple hello means a lot of things. So late, how to say hello? Late, how to say hello? Oh baby. So late, how to say hello? Late, how to be.
If someone had told me that a day would come when I would have to be in your arms, I would put up as a lie. But then, it's clear that fate had other plans for us.
Exactly, Lucia. I've always loved you. Right from the first day I set my eyes on you. That I ain't true. As a matter of fact, I insisted on sharing an apartment with you. Not like I couldn't get orders, you know. But then I didn't want to be far away from you. I want to stay close to you at all time. And I'm happy that my dreams finally came to pass.
So, you withstood all those insults and humiliation that I vented on you. For what reason?
That's because I love you so much. And as they say, love endures all me. If I was given another chance, I will come for you over and over again.
Hello? Lucia? Are you not ready?
Lucia?
Yes, baby, come. Yeah.
Lucia?
Yes, baby, come. Yeah. Who's that?
The hell?
Please, when you finish, clean yourself up very well, eh? I'm meeting you at the office.
Exams today. Alright, sir. We just need to go and prepare ourselves.
Oh my God, I am so excited.
I know.
Oh, girl.
you just succeeded in the bag and the biggest contract didn't be so excited.
Oh my goodness, I was so anxious. I've never been this anxious all my life.
Girl.
I actually thought I was gonna flop, but we'll pull through.
Do you know you? Do you know yourself? You were born ready for this. You were made for this. I'm so proud of you.
I know, thank you. And you know what? This calls for celebration.
Exactly. But before the celebration, you have to tell me how you ended up on your flatmate's bed.
That's a story for another day.
Which another day? You were telling me here and now. I need to hear it all the details. Bring it on.
Okay, fine. He's famous. Derek? Oh, God. He is so sweet, loving, caring, romantic man.
Why won't you say he's sweet, caring, romantic when you've tasted the lollipop?
You know, Derek has been my prayer all this while. Like, I don't know how I've been so blind not to have noticed his presence.
Oh, look at you.
Sweet.
My friend has fallen madly in love. You know, what's really romantic is the fact that he went through all this land just to be with the woman he loves.
I know, right?
His patience is really commendable. You know, I actually thought this thing just happens in movies, but having it happen in real life,
honestly, you know what he told me? He told me he fell in love with me the very first day we met. Yes, more reason he insisted on sharing an apartment with me. And then this guy was able to contain all my excesses, like, you know my character now, like I'll be very nasty.
Well, I'm so happy for you. Look how you're glowing now that you've collected small.
Right, I can feel it.
I'm so happy for you.
You know, this calls for celebration.
Yes, it does.
This is a win.
Yes, a double bagging of big wins. Don't cut it, leave it. A double bagging of big wins. First, my best friend finding love.
Okay.
And secondly, bagging the most and heaviest contract ever. Let's go to the
Okay, bills on me, girl.
Of course, I'm the manager. Please leave bills on you.
Let's go.
Oh, that's how you want to play it, right? Alright, let's play it then. But just know that you will definitely regret every action of yours.
Sir, you sent for me.
Yeah, I did. Sit down. I'll be coming to your house this weekend. I expect all the documents concerning the ownership of this company to have been ready for me to sign. I intend on traveling out of the country permanently and then trust this company into your hands.
I didn't even know what to say. I'm confused. I don't know if I should feel sad or happy about this.
Entrusting this company into your hand is the best decision. That way, I'm sure my company is in safe hands. That will be all for now.
The MD is intending to hand over the company to me before he relocates permanently.
What? Wow, oh my God. Congratulations! This is big news. Oh my God. You know, you deserve this and even more. You've worked years tirelessly and diligently in this company. Why is your face like that?
I don't know. I just feel that there is something wrong somewhere. But I can't just lay my hand on what exactly. Hell, you needed to have seen his face. He wasn't looking bright at all. He was so sad when he was saying those words to me.
Girl, you are overthinking this.
Yes, that's all I see.
Overthinking it, relax. I feel like the old man is just sick and tired of running the affairs of this company all by himself. Remember his health conditions.
No, I don't think so.
Look, I don't care what you think, but this is not the mood of the incoming CEO of this company. I need you to cheer up, okay? Lucia, cheer up.
Simple hello means a lot of things. Oh yeah. Simple hello means a lot of things. Soleil.
Hi.
Oh. Hi, Pearl.
Hi, Mary.
How you doing? Hi, Pearl.
Hello. Hi, Douglas.
What's up?
You're welcome. How's work today?
I didn't really go to work, but I stopped by at the office to, put things in place.
Hello, Lucia.
Hello. I hope your friend has given you something to eat because I know you love food a lot.
Yes, this be there. They give me small rice. I'm manager. I just manage them for the don't be saying.
Don't mind this girl. Don't even mind him.
I could tell. No, your tummy speaks volumes.
Yes, I've been talking to you, don't worry.
I'll be in the kitchen. Let me get the gluten on some food to eat.
No, I'll collect the title. Glutonia. All right. So,
I actually stopped by at the market to get few stuffs. You remember I told you my boss will be coming around today, so I want to host him.
Oh yes, you told me. All right, it's okay. I'll be going to the mall to get something for the house. No.
Oh, okay, that's nice. So how about you go with my car?
No. I'll order over. You the Jones? Where were you? I bet you can't move inside. But suffer later. You won't check. We use the Uber. I bet we'll use the car.
Come on, you should go with my car, okay?
Yeah, we'll go.
All right, so I'll be in the kitchen.
All right, I'll just...
Hell, please do not burn down my kitchen.
What's they worry you now? I don't do this braid. Behave. You want check? I can go freshen up. You need that. They smell like cupboard. Bath.
Your father.
Bath. Let's go out.
Your father.
Bath. Let's go and buy things. Oh yeah. What is the car? I open gate for you now.
Hey, you asked him to please.
Enter. I'm open now. My guy.
I told you, if it wasn't for the last pinch of salt that I added, you would have made a mess.
Indeed.
Shit.
What?
I forgot.
Forgot what, to add salt?
No. The MD doesn't know that I have a flatmate.
You know what? Before Derek gets back, he would have left, so...
No. I have to call him. This is gonna be a whole mess. I need to tell him to stay back. He shouldn't come home.
You don't have
Not
to
now.
stress yourself.
No, please. Shit. His number isn't connecting.
You can call Badmus.
I don't have Badmus' number.
You just can't.
Oh my god.
I don't have his number. I think Bill is here.
You wanna get the door?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good day, sir. Good day, sir. You're welcome, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Please have a seat. Make yourself comfortable.
Let me just excuse you for a minute.
No, you don't have to worry. You are part of us now and you are here, so shall we?
Okay.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal, sir.
Lucia, are you alright? You look white on this. Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
You keep looking towards the door. Are you expecting anyone?
Oh, yes. So my friends are coming around to drop something with me, but I'll just meet them outside and take it.
No, let them come in. The food is there. There's a lot of food to go around.
Are
Let
you?
them join us.
My guy. Hey, we don't go do something. Enough food.
Yeah. Enough.
Derek, what are you doing here?
Bami, I should be the one asking you what you're doing here. What are you doing here? This is my house. This is where I live.
Don't you dare ask me that nonsense. I pay the rent here.
I don't...
Did you hear that, Lucia? See, I don't understand. But I don't have time for this because I'm not in the mood for this.
Come on. I'm
sorry, sir.
Boy.
I don't understand.
Lucia.
Sir?
So you live with a man under the same roof? Same apartment I paid for?
No, sir. It's not like that. So the thing is, there has been robbery incidents going on around the estate, and I've been scared to stay alone. So I spoke to a few agents to help me get someone that would share my apartment with me. But he's paying for it, actually. Not like
you didn't consider it wise to tell me?
I am really sorry about that, sir. Sincerely, I apologize.
So, is Derek your son?
Derek is my son.
What? Wow. Such a small world.
He's the heir to all my wealth and assets. After he finished his studies abroad, he was supposed to come back to Nigeria and take over my company. But he said he prefers music as a career. Just imagine. Does that make any sense to you? Lucia, go get me the documents. I will sign them immediately.
Sir, please, I beg you. Let me just allow me to talk to Derek, please. I know I have never asked you for a favor before, but consider this as one favor that I'm asking of you. Give me from now till tomorrow to talk to Derek, please. I believe you will have a change of mind.
Derek is very stubborn.
Sir, I appreciate the fact that you trust me enough to shoulder the affairs of this company. But please, reconsider. Derek is a smart boy. He has given me so many ideas, including the one that I used that made Cube Sons and Co Limited to agree to partner with our company. Derek is a smart boy. Please, do not discard him. Allow me to talk to him. And trust me, he will have a change of mind. Please, he's an asset. Just give me till today and tomorrow to talk to him. Please, sir.
Come in.
Hey. We need to talk.
Please, if it has anything to do with that man, then I'm not interested.
Really? That man? Your father? Derek, your father is about to entrust a multi-billion-naira company in my hands.
Well, that's his business. He can choose to do whatever he wants to do.
Derek, what are you saying? Your father is about to build a multi-billion-naira company to a stranger, and you are unconcerned about it.
My father, you see, he wants me to quit music and run the affairs of his company. Lucia, I can't now. Music is my life. Music is the purpose.
No, music gives you purpose to life and all that, yes. And then who said you can't do music and still be a successful businessman?
Lucia, I can't.
No, you can. Did I not tell you the ideas you gave to me was what made the company partner with us? And so many other ideas that you've sold to me. It has helped me tremendously.
Really?
Yes. Derek, I need you to think about this. Why chasing your music career? You need money. You need your father's connection. You can be a successful businessman and also do your music effortlessly. I need you to be part of this company. And I know you can do it. Derek, you are smarter than you think. Smarter than you give yourself credit. Derek, I need you. I need us to run this company together. I believe we can. Please, I need you to have me.
Father, I want you to forgive me for everything I did to you. I
prioritized my selfish desires to running the affairs of the company and disobeying you so many times. Please, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You're my only father. You're my family. A man that single-handedly raised me up when I was 3 after the demise of my mother. Please, Daddy. Find it in your heart to forgive me, please. I'm sorry.
Sir, please forgive him. I have spoken to him and I believe he has realized his mistake.
You're my son. I cannot be angry with you forever. So I forgive you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, sir.
Like I said, I've forgiven you. But that will not stop me from permanently traveling out. I'm willing the company to see here. You have decided to follow me. For you have my blessing.
On the contrary, Daddy. We have decided to run the affairs of this company.
You cannot put that childish talk to me.
Sir, that's true. We've decided to run the company together. Having him as a manager.
Daddy, I know you mean so well for me. I do not take your love for granted. Like I said, I'm sorry for everything that I did to you. Even the one that I'm grateful for. Please, forgive me. But one thing that I can assure you is that we are going to run the affairs of this company effectively and more than you did.
Finally, my prodigal son that I was long gone is back. You're welcome.
Thank you, Daddy.
Simple hello means a lot of things. Oh yeah. Simple hello means a lot of things. So late. How to say hello? Lane. How to say hello? Oh baby. So late. How to say hello? Lane. How to be friendly with people? So late. Oh yeah. How to say hello? Love everyone as you love yourself. So late. How to say hello? 'Cause you don't know who's gonna help you.